Good day everyone. Today we will be reviewing the Razer Blackshark V2 X headset. Now the features of this headset has Triforce 50mm drivers, the Hyperclear Cardioid Mic, advanced passive noise cancellation, lightweight design with memory foam ear cushions, 7.1 surround sound, and cross-platform compatibility. The Razer Triforce 50mm drivers. Like having three drivers in one, Razer's all-new patented design allows for the individual tuning of highs, mids, and lows. This separation of audio frequencies generates brighter sound and vocals that are clear and crisp, with richer trebles and more powerful bass. The Razer Hyperclear Cardioid Mic offers greater speech pickup and noise cancellation. An optimized microphone housing provides minimal obstruction with its open design, resulting in improved clarity for more accurate recreation of your voice. The Blackshark V2 X headset is adjustable, however the 3.5mm analog connection cable is undetachable. It has a built-in audio volume control, mute button, and a flexible mic. The headset has leatherette memory foam ear cushions with breathable fabric lining to reduce heat buildup. As you can see, the Razer brand is written on top of the headset. The plush headband padding. Its thicker padding relieves more pressure on your head for long-lasting comfort, while a stainless steel frame makes it lightweight, flexible, and extremely durable. We've tried the headset on different online games and live streaming, and the noise cancellation works perfectly fine and it gives good quality audio. And that's it for our review on the Razer Blackshark V2 X headset. I hope you enjoyed it, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button to be updated on our next video.